the IRCTC sent out nearly 2 crore emails between December 8th and December 12th to all its customers, listing 13 decisions taken by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to support Sikhs amid these protests by farmers against the new laws. The Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation emailed to its customers a 47-page booklet, PM Modi and his government's special relationship with Sikh as part of the government's public interest outreach. Well, let's go across to Ghazali now for more on this story. And Ghazali, very interesting, given this is really not the mandate of the railways or the IRCTC and reaching out. So it's a part of this whole outreach program by the government.
Yeah, certainly, because IRCTC is sending out these emails on behalf of the government. It is many are accusing IRCTC of being the frontal mouthpiece of government, while first the allegation was that these emails were just sent out to Sikhs, showing how Prime Minister Narendra Modi has done or taken many steps for the welfare of Sikh community. But when there was an uproar over this, so the IRCTC clarified that this was not sent out to only the people from the Sikh community, but it was sent out to the entire more than around 12 of the email was sent out to the entire database which the IRCTC had, and listed out a lot of steps taken by the Prime Minister, this government, for the community. And they say it was just a welfare scheme for the public interest, and they just wanted to promote the government welfare schemes. So IRCTC sent 1.9 crore emails in 5 days till December 12, and when the approval was there, then it was discontinued. So certainly they are trying to convince. It has to do with the farm agitation, where Punjab is the epicenter, or maximum farmers are from Punjab. So IRCTC also doing its bit to ease the pressure on the government.
Right, and though Ghazali, they've obviously used information that customers have put on the site, or when they've been booking tickets, etc. So that information has been used to send out these emails.
Yeah, certainly. Everybody is asking about that, how a public entity having all this database or the personal details. It is certainly a issue for the personal safety or security, in the sense that your data has been used for the government outreach program, and the email says that it has come out from the railway minister, from Piyush Goyal, but IRCTC has clarified that they are just sent out not only to the Sikh community but to the entire database of passengers or people who they had, and they just wanted to reach out to everyone to show that how Prime Minister has done, or what welfare measures Prime Minister has taken in the last 6 years for the community.
All right. Thanks so much, Ghazali, for joining us with those details. So 2 crore people received those emails from the IRCTC.